1997 to 2001 Lexus ES300 bottom bulb replacement. As you guys could see, I just clear coated that. Really doesn't match the rest of the car, and I'm not loving it. But anyways, I digress. Anyways, you got to take the bottom cover off, and it has about 5 screws on it. Move it to the side. Once you do that, get underneath the car here. There's 2 steps you need to take this off. You got to take the whole fixture off. You can't just pop out the bulb, unfortunately. And you might be thinking, why can't you just unscrew this and pop it off? Now, there's a retention clip on the inside that holds the bulb that's nearly impossible to reach without taking the whole fixture off. And what you need to do for that is unscrew this bolt right here. And then there's a retention clip. Let me get this out of the way here. There's a retention clip, if you could see it, right up here. Right here. So depress this retention clip from the outside here, and then the whole fixture pops off, and you could unscrew this, take this off, remove the spade connectors, remove this retention clip on the inside there, pop that out, and you should be able to swap out the light like that. Now, not the easiest light replacement, but still manageable.